welcome back to App Mentor.
In this video, I'll be showing you on how to remove AirDrop from iPhone Control Center running on iOS 18. Let's get started. If you wish to customize the control center of your iPhone, like removing other controls like the AirDrop, then this video is for you. First, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the control center window. Now here, you can see different controls. By default, the AirDrop will be clustered under the connectivity section. To remove this, simply long press on the empty area on the control center, and this will show you a minus button on the screen. Simply tap the minus icon to remove the control folder that includes the AirDrop.
Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.